Now I realize there is no letter I in the word eyes, but we want this acronym to work, so we're using I for eyes. Eyes are critical to your presentation because this is the number one way that you connect with your audience. Probably the worst advice I probably ever got was that if I'm nervous, just take my eyes and put them just slightly above my audience. By not making eye contact, I guess they were thinking, it would make me less nervous as a presenter. I think it's really bad advice. We're trying to connect to our audience. Take up space, make them feel safer, make them feel comfortable. So we have to do that with our eyes. We have to let them know that we are human beings, and when we look them in the eye, it reminds us that that mass of humanity are all just people, just like us. So make the eye contact. Our goal is to connect with every member of the audience, or at least as many as we can in our presentation. So the idea is to look at the audience and to each individual and to make a connection with them. So for example, I'm looking at this person, now I look at you, I make a connection, and then I move on to the next one. Again, look at this person, I look at you, make a connection, and then go on from there. I'm not doing this though. I'm not being creepy. Okay, that's too much. Enough to make a connection and then move forward. By doing that, you are making an emotional connection with that audience member. You're making them feel like they are the only person in the audience. And that's going to make them come to your side. So try to do that with your entire audience as much as you can to connect in that way. When you connect eye contact with walking, it's an awesome combo platter for the audience. For example, I'm talking to you, I'm going to walk over here now. So I walk over. As I'm walking, I find one person in the audience. I stop, I look at that person, make the connection, and I come back over here. I'll walk over to the middle, I'll find a person here. I'll make a connection. And you keep moving that way. This demands that you know your content so well that you are free to make the connections with the audience. I hope you enjoyed that free lesson from my 2017 e-course. Today, I still teach groups and leaders how to present well. If that's you, if you really need to know how to present well, reach out. I'd love to help.